Been working on this wheel, sandblast and grinding with a grinder, and gonna put a little paint on the inside so it don't chew the tube up. This wheel's off of a 52 model Minneapolis Moline tractor, tricycle type. Tire had been on here for 65 years, as far as I know, never been changed, never been off the rim. And of course it was tore all to pieces, so we had to take it off. Got it outside, out in front for sale on to make a flower bed or a cattle feeder. They're pretty good for both of them. We're going to paint this wheel up here and get it ready to put a tire on. This wheel was made as a tube type wheel. Takes an inner tube inside of it to keep the air in it. No way this wheel will ever seal off for a tubeless. But it'll work good for this because I got a brand new tube for it. Was fortunate enough to find a used car down in Arden. A place down there that sells used tractor parts. We found one down there. It's a little bit different on size, but that's okay. We think she'll fit all right. It's better than paying $500 for a new one. We're cleaning this wheel up here and make it a little bit better on the inside so we won't paint the tube. Will not be running very much, but still don't want to paint the tube. I used a metal grinder and I used a brush, wire brush, and also used a sandblaster on this wheel. Really rough. This is off the tractor my daddy used up on the farm many years ago. You've seen a prior video that I made a few days back, put it on YouTube. This will be on YouTube also. We're rebuilding this old tractor. If you've seen that, we took a little backhoe and broke the tire down. So we're getting ready to put it right together.